So I really love when technology comes together, things actually start working the way they're supposed to, especially when it helps out you guys. You know, when you're looking at my videos and you think, wow, I got to be able to find something. I'm looking for a specific kind of information here. What do? I love YouTube. I'm on it a lot. Since 2006, when I became a professional artist and we started doing videos for YouTube, I've got over 600 videos out there to watch now. And that's where the company Retrieve comes in. They've got a search engine. Oh my God, this search engine can search my videos for whatever keyword you're looking for. You want to know about, like, you know, TIG welding, you want to know about filler rod, you can come to the videos and you can just type in filler rod, and that search engine will go out and search through all of these different videos of my videos, and it will show you each and every video, each and every section. It'll take you right to where I say filler rod in each and every video, so you can see, oh, that's the information I needed, or no, I know that part, but ooh, I want to know more about this one. So we're going to start out with just 3 guides. Each of the guides is going to have 10 to 12 videos in it a piece, and it's one of my most popular topics, TIG welding. So you're going to get essential TIG welding, you're going to get tips, tricks, and troubleshooting of TIG welding, as well as advanced TIG welding. And remember, this is all searchable. You can type in a word, you can say a word if your computer's got the microphone on it, and that AI is going to go find in those videos just what you're looking for. So no guessing which video to go watch. I mean, it's all going to be right there. That search engine is just going to go find exactly what you're looking for just at the type of a word or just saying it. And another cool little feature of this thing is it'll reply in English, Spanish, or French. My ancestors would be so proud to hear me speaking French. I really appreciate all your guys' help all these years making these videos, clicking on those little ads for me. You know, a couple pennies I get from each one of those helps pay for these videos. And this is another way you could help me. So what are you waiting for, guys? You want to learn things? I want to teach you things. This is the way to do it right here. Thank you. No, I'm sorry.